Hangzhou Epsole Technologies Company Limited is a powerful and professional wholesaler for all EPS equipment and EPS raw material in China. Our company lies in the beautiful city, Hangzhou. A great factory is Epsole's biggest advantage. Our practical plant capacity is very large. Our product range is wide. We have EPS pre-expander, EPS shape molding machine, EPS block molding machine, EPS cutting machine. All auxiliary equipment used in EPS industry and EPS raw material are all on sale. With special design and reliable quality, many models we produce have been popular worldwide. We also have an outstanding marketing department. It is a place of hope, inspiration, collaboration, and support. It is a place where you can have fun at work and truly make a difference to people's lives. We are energetic, dedicated, and professional. We are always longing for better. Fluent English, communication ability, and learning abilities are our basic capacities. Being friendly and considerable are our goals. Epsole has always taken customer in heart, credibility first, bold in innovation, aiming for perfection as its principle. Never stop designing. Use best materials and offer reliable services. Epsole is always working on doing better. We are willing to cooperate with customers from all over the world. Cooperate. Let us work together, a better tomorrow. Abide by reputation and quality. Foresee the future. It will be a sunshine.
We and Hangzhou Epsole Technologies Corporation Limited. We are the supplier of EPS raw material and manufacturer of EPS molding machines. We offer turnkey project of EPS plant. Besides, we can also help our clients to set up EPS resin plants. This is our sales team.
My name is Rika.
Cheryl, Lucy, Hannah,
Leah.
Harry.
Quality is our eternal pursuit. Stay with Epsole, stay succeed.